Hi. Welcome back. Capstone, Simulated Client Project plus Graduation. Complete a full onboarding, workflow setup, and deliverables for a mock client. Goal: bring everything together by simulating the real-world experience of working with a new client, from onboarding to execution. Section 1, Overview of the Capstone class. The Capstone project is your final test and proof of mastery. You'll go through the entire client onboarding to delivery journey using a simulated brief. This will help you practice what you've learned, build a strong VA portfolio, get feedback on real-world deliverables, prepare to handle real clients confidently. This is not a theory. You're expected to create real documents, real systems, and a real workflow. Section 2, Your mock client profile. Client name: Visionary Wellness Company. Industry: Holistic Health and Wellness. Services offered: online courses, a weekly podcast, coaching calls. Primary needs: calendar and inbox support, podcast guest coordination, weekly content scheduling, workflow system setup, weekly reporting. Section 3, Your Capstone tasks. Here's what you need to build as part of the simulated project. 1. Client onboarding kit. Welcome email with call scheduling link, e.g., Calendly. Intake form, Google form or Typeform. VA client expectation document. Signed agreement template, use your contract sample. Client folder with subfolders, Drive, Dropbox, or Notion. 2. Workflow system. Set up a workflow system in ClickUp, Notion, or Trello that includes a podcast guest workflow, weekly content calendar, a task dashboard, automations, if possible. 3. Inbox and calendar SOPs. Create a standard operating procedure, SOP. 4. Inbox triage, Gmail/Outlook. Weekly calendar prep, client scheduling, reminders, availability blocks. 4. Deliverable management. Template or system to track weekly podcast episodes, scheduled social posts, client's weekly report, guest outreach plus follow-up. 5. Client dashboard. Use Airtable, Google Sheets, or Notion to build a tracker/dashboard for tasks in progress, content calendar, metrics tracking, notes for meetings or calls. 6. Automation touches. Optional but preferred, show you're advanced. Set up Gmail rules, forwarding, sorting. Use Calendly or Motion to manage meeting bookings. Use a note-taking tool like TL, DV, Otter, or Fathom to simulate meeting recaps. Section 4, Delivery format. You will submit the following items in a client-ready folder, clearly organized. Category: Deliverable, onboarding, welcome email, intake form, agreement doc. SOPs: inbox and calendar SOPs, Docs or Notion. Systems: workflow board link, ClickUp, Notion, Trello. Dashboard: Airtable, Notion Sheets link. Bonus: automation setup screenshots or Loom walkthrough. Presentation format: you will record a Loom walkthrough, 5 to 10 minutes, of your mock client setup. This video should present the systems you've built and explain how you'd onboard and manage the client. Section 5, Assessment criteria. Your project will be reviewed based on the following area: scoring focus, organization. Are files/folders well labeled and structured? Professionalism. Does it feel like something a paying client would trust? Completeness. Are all areas of the onboarding/delivery pipeline covered? Use of tools. Are tools appropriate and used correctly? Presentation. Is the Loom walkthrough clear and confident? Section 6, Graduation requirements. To graduate and receive your VA training certificate, you must Submit the Capstone project folder. Upload your Loom walkthrough. Fill out the program feedback form. Schedule your exit review call, 15 minutes, for personal feedback. Section 7, Bonus for Certification with Distinction. To earn a Certified VA Pro with Distinction badge. Submit before the deadline. Include at least 2 automation examples. Show use of AI in task management or inbox. Deliver a polished Loom with a professional tone. Section 8. Graduation ceremony details. Once all projects are in, we'll host a virtual graduation session, where the top 3 Capstone projects will be showcased. You'll receive your certificates. We'll do live feedback plus bonus masterclass on becoming an agency-level VA. You'll be invited to our VA alumni network for mentorship, referrals, and job leads. Section 9, Key Reminders. Treat this like a real client project. Done is better than perfect, but polish matters. Use templates from earlier classes. Don't overcomplicate, clarity and structure are your best assets. Ask questions and get support in the tech support or peer review group. Section 10, Assignment Summary Checklist. Welcome email plus client intake form. Signed agreement, template. SOPs for inbox plus calendar. Workflow board, ClickUp, Notion, or Trello. Dashboard, Airtable, Sheets, or Notion. Loom walkthrough. Project folder delivery. Congratulations on completing this course.